Good afternoon, Bicolandia. We welcome you to our Sunday matchup today. It's the USI Falcons versus the BU Wolves, and of course, kasama niyo pa rin po kami. I am Christina Converge, and with me is Rick Cuata na maghahatid sa inyo ng aksyon ngayong linggo.
Ayan, team, talagang nagbabagan naman ang labanan ngayong hapon. Ito kaya dapat nating abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV and Bucal Facebook page. And also, live na live tayo ngayon sa ating NCF Covered Court para masaksihan ang bakbakang USI Falcons versus the BU Wolves.
Ayan nga, Rick, yung ating USI Falcons last week, nagtapat na po sila ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights kung saan kinapos sila para makuha ang kanilang unang panalo. At ngayon, titignan natin kung ready na ba sila at kung ano yung preparation nila for this game against the BU Wolves.
Ayan, pag-usapan naman natin ang sa BU Wolves na kahapon nagkaroon sila ng match-up at nakuha nila ang kanilang unang panalo dito sa ating ligang ito. And mind you guys na ang BU ang hinirang na second runner-up nung nakaraang season 4 ng Bucal. And let's see, because it's a bit challenging on the part of the USI Falcons kung paano nila ma-execute at matatalo itong BU Wolves na ito.
Kaya naman aabangan natin yan maya-maya lamang dahil nga parehong itong team na ito gustong manalo ngayong hapon na ito for the USI Falcons. Siyempre, ready din sila to take on the challenge against the BU Wolves. Siyempre, yung ating mga standout players, we have like Warja, andyan si Fabay, at kung sino-sino pa na magdadagdag sa atin ng aksyon. At siyan, or mamaya. Yan, Rick. At parang makahingi tayo ng update all the way from their side. Tawagin natin na ating courtside reporter na si Chan. Hi, Chan. Anong update natin, Chan?
Hello, good afternoon to all volleyball fans. Welcome to an exciting match between the USI Falcons and the BU Wolves. Chen is here once again reporting live and ready to give you all the action and updates. Nakausap ko nga isa sa mga player ng Falcons, and according to him, this game kailangan nilang i-improve ang kanilang communication and solidarity as a team. He also stated that consistency is a challenge they are facing heavily with that. They need to practice more inside the court, and also the relationship and the connection of the team. Now, will they finally take home their first victory, Rick and Tin? We will see. So keep watching us via Facebook Live with our official broadcast partner, One Media TV 48 Naga and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Shen, for that update, so yung strong communication inside the court at talagang magagandang place para makuha nila ang unang panalo dito sa hapon na ito. And sabi ko nga kanina, a bit challenging on their part because we know the capabilities of this Bucal University Wolves, and kailangan nila itong ma-overcome ng USI Falcons. So let's see kung ano magandang papakita ngayon ng ating USI Falcons sa hapon na ito. At para makahingi rin tayo ng update sa side ng Bucal University Wolves, tatawagin natin mamaya ang courtside reporter ng Wolves na si Zai. So yun nga, nakita na natin dito sa loob ng court ang first 6 ng USI Falcons and also on the Bucal University Wolves. So again, exciting matchup between these two teams na dapat abangan only here at Oragon Sports TV. So comment down below kung gusto nyong ma-shoutout at mag-like and subscribe tayo sa ating mga Facebook pages. Ayan, thank you so much. At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng Bucal University Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Anong update dyan?
Good afternoon, Tin and Rick, to our viewers here on One Media TV 48 Naga and Bucal Facebook page. I am your courtside reporter from the side of the Bucal University, Shulamar Zai Maniano. It is truly a scorching hot afternoon as we start the game between the BU Wolves and the USI Falcons. We can all agree how impressive the Wolves are during their battle with the Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya we have a lot to look forward to, so stay tuned lamang here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. Ayan nga, nakuha na nga ng BU Wolves sa kanilang unang panalo kahapon against the Ateneo Golden Knights, and napakaganda ng performance na pinakita nila. Kaya titignan natin ngayon kung ano nga ba yung determination na ipapakita ng ating BU Wolves at unang puntos nga napunta sa kanilang kupunan.
Ayan, first point mapupunta sa Bucal University Wolves with a drop ball coming from Alzaga. Guardia, Balane Tomira. Ball is still alive. Another score para dito kay Alzaga. Strong start para dito sa wing spiker ng Bucal University Wolves.
Yun nga, galing sa talo itong ating USI Falcons. Kaya mas lalo pa nilang patatagin yung kanilang depensa as well as the offense. At yun nga sa ating last sequence, it was an error from the side of the PU Wolves. Now, Balani to serve for the side of the Falcons.
Another great hit coming from the player of the Wolves, courtesy of Imperial.
Yes. He was our best player of the game kahapon at ngayon talagang nagsisimula na naman itong init ng laro ni Imperial. Now he will be serving the ball for the Wolves. Too much power on that one. So a bonus point for the side of the Falcons here.
So yun yung problema kahapon ni Imperial, ang mga service error niya. Pero binawi niya naman sa mga attacks niya. So isa ito sa mga player na dapat bantayan dito ng USI Falcons.
Nagbibigay nga ng puntos itong dalawang kupunan nito by error. But still, it's the first set. Yan natin. Alzaga.
Balane setting up Mira. And Mira too strong on that attack. So the point will automatically go on the side of Wolves. So yun din ang kailangan iwasan dito ng USI Falcons. Their unforced error because sila ang naghahabol dito. And early game pa lamang to kaya dapat nilang i-minimize ang kanilang errors. Another error para dito sa ating Falcons. Again, kailangan nila ditong magkaroon ng great connection.
Balane sets it up. Mira aatake.
Balane to Mira, pababawiin. And this time, Mira makakakuha ng point coming from that cross-court hit.
It's very important communication inside the court between the players here. Ito na lamang hinahabol ng Falcons. Now Mira.
From that last sequence, a powerful hit coming from Alamo. So, si Alamo is galing UNC Greyhounds. And ngayong season na ito, makikita natin siya at maglalaro siya para sa Bucal University Wolves. One more time for Alamo. Andun si Balane. Now, Balane will give a free ball.
And Dodds with that powerful hit. Gaining a point for the BU Wolves. Now, naitaas na nga sa limang kalamangan dito ng BU Wolves. Now, Balane sets it up to LaGuardia. Naipasok niya naman yun ngayon. Four serving 8 now for our first set.
So a net violation was called on Aguayo coming from that last play. So nagbibuild na dito ng momentum ang USI Falcons. Kailangan nila dito maging consistent with their play. Reynes again on the deck to serve. Pero too strong on that service error.
Yan, kailangan bawasan itong ating USI Falcons ang kanilang mga error para makahabol sa puntos ng ating BU Wolves. But on the other side of BU Wolves, napakaganda ng kanilang simula dito sa ating first set. Now, Dodds.
Balane will give it to Fabay pero ball is still alive. Chance for the Falcons to score. But an attack error committed by LaGuardia on that last play. So the ball will go on the side of the Wolves. Dodds again serving the ball. Balane, pababawian dito si LaGuardia. Great dig coming from the Falcons. Miscommunication. LaGuardia. Itatawid ng bola. Now Operio setting up Alamo. And too strong para kay Alamo on that last play.
Ngayon, yung ating USI Falcons, nabubuhayan sila dito sa ating first set. They just need consistency with their play. Of course, Side naman ng BU, don't be complacent para mas madagdagan pa ang kanilang puntos dito now.
Another miscommunication, chance for the Falcon to score. Operio setting up Agualio. Now Balane to La Guardia. Andun si Alamo. 1-2 play dito ni Operio pero nabasa ito ng Falcons. Another long rally. Nerva. And miscommunication between Operio and Imperial. Again, nagiging maganda dito ang momentum sa side ng USI Falcons.
Yes, ang ganda din ng floor defense nila, most especially La Guardia kanina, hindi niya talaga hinayaan mahulog yung bola. Now, Fabay.
With that perfect first ball, talagang makakakuha ng punto si Imperial coming from that quick hit.
Binawi naman agad nila yung puntos na dapat kanina. Now, 7 serving 11. Agualio to serve on the side of the BU Wolves.
Na service ace para dito kay Agualio.
Now, Agualio again to serve. And it's still a service ace coming from Agualio. 2 straight points coming from him. Malaki muli ang kalamangan dito ng ating BU Wolves. Now, Agualio.
Another nice serve coming from Agualio. At mapapatawag nga dito ng timeout ng USI Falcons. Again, the BU Wolves is giving a hard serve para dito sa USI Falcons. That's why hindi nagkakaroon ng magandang play ang ating USI Falcons dito. But let's see kung ano bang gagawing adjustment dito on the side of Falcons. Pasalamatan naman natin din ang ating mga sponsors. We have the Elite Sportswear, Bigs, and Havaianas. Thank you so much for your support.
Ayun nga rin, dito sa ating first set, the USI Falcons. Medyo doon sa ating mga last sequence dito, nakukulangan sila ng kanilang floor defense. While on the other side, the BU Wolves, napakaganda ng kanilang simula. Now let's see. With that 7-point lead, magiging consistent ba ang laro dito ng ating BU Wolves or the USI Falcons magbabago ng kanilang game plan? Agualio again. This time, it's outside. Good call for a timeout dito sa side ng ating USI Falcons. Naitigib na yung sunod-sunod na puntos ng Wolves. Now, La Guardia.
And Alzaga breaking down the wall para dito sa USI Falcons.
It's serving 15 now. Still on the lead, BU Wolves.
Another great serve para dito sa Wolves. And Alzaga again, 2 straight points for him.
Falcons need to focus now as the BU Wolves is halfway through set number 1.
Now Operio serving para dito sa BU Wolves. Balane setting up Mira, and Mira will score.
They needed that communication as well as attack on their side now.
So yun ang kailangan dito ng USI Falcons. Stability when it comes to their floor defense para magkaroon ng proper play ang kanilang setter. Agualio, Operio, combination play. Andon si La Guardia. Now Balane, pababawin dito si Raines. But a check ball rather. So the point will go on the side of the Falcons.
So now, naibaba na nga sa 6 ng USI Falcons. They just need to continue their play here. Now, Balane to serve.
Operio to Alzaga. Andun si Imperial para sa coverage. And a net touch para dito kay Alamo. So back-to-back error para dito sa BU Wolves.
Bawi na ngayon ang ating USI Falcons.
But this time, Imperial makakakuha ng magandang quick hit para sa last sequence na yon.
Hindi naman talaga hinahayaan ng BU Wolves na makalapit ang USI Falcons.
Bulansoy, rejected on the net. Now Reynes, another great net defense para dito kay Dodds and Alamo on the side of the Wolves. Talagang mapa-opensa at depensa. Talagang all goes well para dito sa BU Wolves.
Yes.
So what will the USI Falcons do? Ano ang kailangan na ditong i-adjust para makahabol sa score ng ating Wolves? Imperial with that jump serve and a service ace.
The Wolves are really dominating our set number 1. Mas pinapataas pa nila dito ang kanilang kalamangan. As now Imperial will serve.
Balane to Reynes. Dodds. Tatawagan dito ng double contact.
The Wolves need to lessen their errors now. While the USI Falcons still need to double their effort.
Ball is still alive. Balane. Setting up Reynes. Straight to the net attack. So the point will automatically go on the side of the Wolves.
Now, just 5 points away itong ating BU Wolves and getting the set number 1 with their good performance.
Balane to Mira and Mira catches that line. So score para dito sa ating USI Falcons. 7-point lead ngayon ang hawak ng Wolves. The USI Falcons cannot afford to have an error at this point in time. Combination play, andun ang libero.
And the point will go on the side of the USI Falcons. Or on the side of the BU Wolves rather. Serving 21 now.
Balane setting up LaGuardia. Andun si Nerva. Chance again for the Falcons here. Alamo for the coverage. Operio to Dodds. Ball is still alive. Another quick hit. We have a long rally here. Agualio. Masyadong mahaba ang palo on that last play. So the point will go on the side of the USI Falcons.
Now, the USI Falcons still have the chance here para mahabol yung puntos dito.
Agualio receive the ball. Operio to Alamo. And Alamo makakakuha pa ng puntos para sa broken play na yon. And a timeout was called on the side of the USI Falcons. 22-14 on our scoreboard.
Now, Rick, on the side of the USI Falcons, minsan tama, minsan hindi para dito sa kanilang side. And they just need to be consistent with their plays right now. Dahil napakalaki na nga ng kalamangan dito ng BU Wolves rather sa ating first set. Kaya titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung magiging bagong gameplay dito ng side ng USI Falcons para maihabol yung puntos na yan. While on the other side, the BU Wolves is dominating our set number 1 with powerful attacks as well as floor defense. Consistency is the key talaga when you're playing volleyball right now. Now we're back on the ball game. Just few score for our set number 1. What will happen? Will it be a change of faith for both sides? Now that's serving.
Balane. Miscommunication pero buhay pa dito ang bola. And Agualio. Smart move coming from him. Talagang touch niya lang doon sa blockers ng Falcons. And a substitution on the side of the USI Falcons. Ipapasok dito si Racimo.
Now Dodds. Only 2 points for the side of the PU Wolves. A very crucial error coming from Dodds there. 15 serving 23. Now Racimo.
Agualio. What a way to kill the ball. Talagang nasibat niya doon ang down the line hit.
Now set point na tayo para sa side ng BU Wolves. As Aguayo will serve the ball.
Good serve para dito kay Agualio. Now chance for the Wolves to close this set number 1. And Alzaga will end this set number 1 with an off-the-block hit. 25-15 sa ating scoreboard. Magbabalik po kami para sa ating set number 2 only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Introducing Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
And we are back here sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para sa ating second set. Again, matchup between the Bucal University Wolves and the USI Falcons kung saan nga nakuha ng Wolves ang first set. So hawak ko nga dito ang set 1 statistics when it comes to the attacks. Talagang dominante dito ang Wolves, 12 kontra 4 lang ng Falcons. And when it comes to the opponent error, although mas madaming nakamit dito na error ang Wolves, pero nakuha pa rin nila ang panalo on that first set. So aabangan natin dito sa second set kung sino ang makakakuha nito. So first point again para dito sa Bucal University Wolves. At para makahingi tayo ng update sa side ng Bucal University Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita dyan?
The Wolves are feeling themselves right now as they end this set, or should I say the last set, with confidence. Rikenton, one thing I noticed with BU's gameplay since their fight with Agnew is that they have the ability to read and identify kung saan ba yung blind spot ng kalaban nila. What is their enemy's weakness? They seem to focus on how to take advantage to their opponents, to what their opponent is lacking. They have their own tactics and ways to sway the game. Kaya let's all hold on to our seats as we start the second set. We still have a lot coming. That's why stay tuned lamang here. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
So much, Zai. Ayan nga dito sa side ng ating BU Wolves. They're focusing on the weaknesses of their opponent. Dito nga sa ating USI Falcons, medyo mahina yung kanilang floor defense dito. Kaya yun talaga yung pinagtutuunang pansin ng ating BU Wolves with their strong attacks. Now, while on the other side, the USI Falcons, medyo kulang pa talaga yung pinapakita nilang laro dito from the first set up until the start of the second set. Kaya titignan natin kung ano nga ba yung naging adjustment nila para sa ating pagpasok dito sa ating second set. At para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from their side, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Chen. Hi Chen, ang update natin dyan.
Well, the Falcons had 3 days to train for this match, kaya naman nakikita natin na nasa-challenge ang players, kaya naman pero napakagandang laro ang ating natunghayan. They also advised by the coach to stay focused for this match, at sabi rin niya, para makahabol tayo, we have to minimize our errors. We have to step up because our game is lacking. Find the proper timing and also the right aggressive. Kaya naman let's see kung makakahabol ang Falcons o muling madodominate ng Wolves ang second set. Rikentin?
Ayan, thank you so much, Shen, for that update. So yun nga, they need to minimize their error kasi yun ang nagpapahirap sa kanila para makapantay dito sa pinapakitang performance ng Bucal University Wolves. So let's see kung gagawin ba yan adjustment dito ng Bucal University, ng USI Falcons rather. So aabangan natin yan.
Now Rick, 5 serving 3 here. Dalawa ang kalamangan na pinangahawakan ng ating BU Wolves. On the other side, the USI Falcons needs to strengthen their defense here. Now, back to the ball game tayo. San Miguel through the block. And another point will be given on the side of the BU Wolves here.
So again, nagpapakitang gilas na naman dito ang Wolves. They have a strong start para dito sa ating set number 2. Another point coming from the Wolves. Again, itong BU Wolves na mga players ngayon is yun din ang players on that last season. That's why kapang-kapa na nila ang isa't isa. On the side of the USI Falcons, sila din yung mga players na magkakasama on that last season. Pero ngayon parang nahihirapan sila to build connection inside the court. That's why kitang-kita sa score na talagang lumalamang dito ang Wolves. Now, Dumanais setting up San Miguel, and San Miguel killing the ball.
Yan, napakaganda ng mga atake ginagawa dito ng ating BU Wolves. Hindi nga nasasagang yan ang ating USI Falcons. So they really need to strengthen their game now as we are on the set number 2.
Rhinus will try, and Rhinus delivers. So yun ang kailangan dito ng USI Falcons, ang malakas na mga atake at maging magandang depensa. Alamil, Dumanais setting up Mapa. What a cut shot hit. Talagang approach pa lang, alam mo nang mapapatay niya ang bola.
Grabe yung mga spikers dito sa side ng ating BU Wolves. Atake kung atake.
Balane, pababawiin dito si Laguardia. Pero Laguardia heavily guarded but the ball is still alive. Dumanais to Alamil. Ball is still alive. And Mapa, magkakaroon ng error.
Now Rhinus will serve on the side of the Falcons here. Mapa again. Pabay now.
Alamil will try. And too strong on that attack. It goes outside, so the point will go on the side of the Falcons.
Rhinus again to serve here. Now Mapa again to try. Pero too much power on that one. So a point will go on the side of the USI Falcons here. Tatlo na lamang hinahabol nila dito. Rhinus again will serve on the side of the USI Falcons. But that's an error committed by the side of the USI Falcons. They needed to lessen the errors on their side. Mapa.
Alamil. Back to Wolves. So miscommunication between the players of this BU Wolves. That's why the point will go on the side of the Falcons.
Now the Falcons need to get this opportunity para mas mapalapit pa yung puntos nila against the BU Wolves. No more errors at this point. Now Fabay.
Dumanais to Dodds. And again, errors are piling up on the side of the Wolves. Na talaga namang tinetake advantage dito ng USI Falcons.
Yes, dahil nga dalawa na lamang yung hinahabol dito ng Falcons as Fabay. Serve the ball. Alamil.
Down the line hit was good para dito kay Alamil.
Now Wolves still on lead of 3 here for our set number 2.
Service ace dito para kay Dodds. So ayan na naman ang ating Beowulfs, creating and building momentum to finally have
That's it. The point goes on the side of the USI Falcons here. Now, they need to strengthen their floor defense now. Medyo laylo tayo dito sa ating set number 2, but that's an error coming from LaGuardia. Para sa side ng Falcons, no more errors na dapat sa kanila. Now, Alamil.
an attack error para dito sa USI Falcons. Now, Alamil on the deck to serve para sa Wolves. Balane setting up Capistrano. The ball is still alive. San Miguel. Again, whenever San Miguel is on the front line, talagang porsyentong pumalo. Is making sure na talagang makakakuha ng puntos ang Wolves dito. Another players to watch out para dito sa Wolves. Alamil makakakuha ng service A. So everything goes well para dito sa Bucal University Wolves. That's why mapapatawag dito ng timeout ang USI Falcons to think for their adjustments na nangyayari sa ating set number 2.
Ayan nga, Rick, for the side of the USI Falcons. Medyo hindi naging maganda yung umpisa na kanilang set number 2 at kailangan pa nilang pag-tingin yung kanilang floor defense dito dahil napakalakas talaga ng mga atakang ibinibigay dito ng ating BU Wolves. Most especially the spikers of the Wolves here. So, konting-konti na lang para dito sa BU Wolves para makuha muli ang kanilang set number 2. So, the USI Falcons needs to double their effort if they want to have a great game against the BU Wolves. Now, we are back on the ball game here as the BU Wolves is on the lead of 7. Alamil serving.
Mira finding that open hole on the side of the Wolves. So, easy point para dito sa USI Falcons. May timeout coming from the coach of the USI Falcons. Now, Balane on the deck to serve. Manais. And a net violation on Bailey on the class sequence. Masyadong mapalakas yun.
San Miguel again, finding that hole on the side of the USI Falcons. Now a 6-point lead coming from their side here. Dumanais now. Now Balane. Rines magbibigay dito ng free ball. Now. That's a miscommunication on the side of the BU Wolves. So point will be given on the side of the USI Falcons. 18 serving 13. Now Capistrano.
Rambutan.
Mira. What a strong block coming from the BU Wolves. Courtesy of Bailey and Mapa.
Ayan, closing the door para dito sa USI Falcons. Now, Bailey on the deck to serve para dito sa BU Wolves. Laguardia. Now, Balane setting up Mira. Self-touch and then si Alamil. Now, San Miguel. Chance again dito ng Falcons to score. But Mira straight to the net attack. Again, their errors is not helping them para dito sa ating set number 2.
5 na lamang para sa ating BU Wolves to again snatch the set number 2.
Converge and violation para dito kay San Miguel. Masyado siyang na-excite para doon sa last play na yun. Now, Mira serving the ball para sa USI Falcons. Dumanais. Back set to Mapa and Mapa again. Flying and scoring para dito sa BU Wolves.
Now the BU Wolves still having that advantage on our set number 2. Now San Miguel. Dapat na lamang ang kailangan dito ng BU Wolves. Now Balane to Fabay.
Ball is still alive. From that great coverage coming from Mapa at makakakuha pa ng libreng puntos dito ang Wolves. Finding that zone 1 na walang tao, so mapapatawag ulit dito ng timeout ng kupunan ng USI Falcons because the BU Wolves is 3 points away on getting this set number 2.
Yan nga, Rick, dito sa ating set number 2. Napakaganda nga nung pinapakita performance ng BU Wolves. While on the other side, the USI Falcons still in the need of improvement with their offense as well as their defense. And they really need to step up now sa pagbasok ng ating set number 3. But let's see, just few points. Ano kayang gagawin dito ng USI Falcons? para matigil yung sunod-sunod na puntos na ginagawa ng ating BU Wolves. And now we are back on the ball game. 22 serving for team here. Now, San Miguel. Well, the BU Wolves and this set number 3 with a big gap against the USI Falcons, or the USI Falcons change its faith on getting the set number 2. Dumanais to Mapa.
Again, Mapa. Talagang nagpapakilala para dito sa Bucal University Wolves. Ang lalakas ng kanin niya. That's why kailangan dito ng magandang net defense ng USI Falcons to stop this player of the Bucal University Wolves. Now, San Miguel on the deck serve.
Nabalane.
Balane to Reynes. One more time for Mapa. Andun si Balane. Now, Racimo. And Balane giving up the ball to the Wolves. And the net violation was called on Racimo. That's why the point will automatically go on the side of the BU Wolves.
Yan, nasa set point muli ang ating BU Wolves dito. And another 10-point lead against the USI Falcons. Now just 1 point for the BU Wolves. LaGuardia, too much power on that one, making it the set for the BU Wolves, ending at 25-14. Magbabalik po tayo for more actions para sa ating set number 3 only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Ayan, nagbabalik tayo dito sa loob ng NCF Covered Court para sa ating third set. So, one set na lamang ang kailangan ditong may panalo ng BU Wolves to get their second win here sa ating liga. And on the side of the USI Falcons, kailangan nila ditong bumawi if they want to extend this match. Ayan, first point ay mapupunta sa BU Wolves coming from that service error nila Guardia. And to hear more about the USI Falcons, let's call our courtside reporter, Chen. Hi, Chen. Anong balita dyan? Ayan, babalikan nga natin mamaya si Chen para sa kanyang report. Now back to the ball game, Balane. Andun ang players ng BU. Ball is still alive. Balane will give a free ball para sa Wolves. Ayan, babalikan nga natin ngayon ang courtside reporter ng USI Falcons. Hi Chen, ano nga ang balita dyan?
BU Wolves is still in the lead with a score of 25-14. Can the Falcons make a comeback or will be the BU Wolves secure the set? Yan ang tanong. Kaya naman Coach Joel said, if you want to close this match, with a statement, you have to bring all the surprise the attacks. You have to stay composed at diskartehan lang maigi para makuha at ma-dominate na nila ang third set. Rick and Tin?
Thank you so much, Shen. Ayan nga, for the side of the USI Falcons, kailangan na nilang ibigay ang lahat. As this would be the last set for the BU Wolves. Kaya the USI Falcons needs to double their effort and focus more on the game here. Inconsistent lang sa kanilang mga puntos.
Another miscommunication between these USI Falcons. That's why nagkaroon ng error coming from that last play. Para makingi tayo ng update sa side ng BU Wolves, let's call our courtside reporter, Zai. Hi, Zai. Anong balita dyan?
Rick and Tin, all I can say is wow. Watching Bucal University's gameplay never really fails to impress me as a volleyball enthusiast. As I witnessed their last game and this current one, I am truly a fan of their consistency and their ability to make their moves so effortless. Every position that is given to them is played and executed well. This will be the last set, kaya let's all watch them sink their claws deeper. That's all for now. Back to the panel.
Has having a good time on this game against the USI Falcons at sa pagpasok nga ng ating third set. 7-0 nating run na nga po ang ating BU Wolves, and I think they are really determined to finish this game against the USI Falcons flawlessly. But now, with that error coming from the BU Wolves, a bonus point, or the point will go on the side of the USI Falcons. So now Balane will serve the ball for the Falcons.
Chance for the Wolves here to score. Combination play and Alamo delivers. So a very strong start para dito sa ating Bucal University Wolves. 7-point lead ang kanilang hawak. On the side of the Falcons, they need to have a strong defense here when it comes to their floor and syempre atake para magkaroon ng puntos. Centeno setting up Alamo. Andun sila Guardia, ball is still alive. Mira will give a free ball. Centeno setting up his teammate. Alamo para sa regalo.
And nakuha nga after that long rally, the BU Wolves get that point. 9 serving 1. Medyo hindi maganda yung pasok ng third set dito sa ating USI Falcons. They just need to enjoy and focus on the game here as Imperial getting that service ace. Adding a point to the side of the BU Wolves here. Napakalaki na nga ng kalamangan na naigawa dito ng ating BU Wolves. 10 serving 1. Now, Imperial.
Another strong serve para kay Imperial. Now, Reynes pababawiin pero sarado ang pinto Sabi ni Bailey at Alamo on the side of the BU Wolves. Again, hindi dito makapasok ang atake ng USI Falcons because of a strong net defense para dito sa Wolves.
Now, the substitution, Manong Song, papasok dito sa USI Falcons. Let's see kung ano nga ba yung may bibigay niya dito contribution on the side of the USI Falcons. Now, Imperial.
The point will go on the side of the Wolves again. Kahit broken play na yon, Maneha nagawa ng paraan at nakapuntos pa para sa kanyang kupunan. Again, Alamo. Grabe, talagang ayaw ditong papuntosin ng Wolves ang Falcons. That's why mapapatawag nga ng timeout ang coach ng kanilang kupunan.
Now, the USI Falcons medyo nahihirapan dito sa ating set number 3. Ano kaya yung gagawin nila dito? Dahil nga, 13 serving 1. Isang puntos pa lamang po ang nagagawa ng USI Falcons sa ating set number 3, while the BU Wolves still enjoying the game here and still giving us a good fight. Yung malalakas nilang atake as well as their floor defense ang lagi talagang sa kanilang tumutulong para mapataas pa yung kalamangan nila against their opponent. At mamaya po, abangan niyo po ang ating mga laro pa. For our second game, it's the UNC Greyhounds versus the ACLC. And for our last game, it's the UNC Greyhounds and the BU Lady Wolves. Kaya kaabang-abang talaga yung mga laro natin mamaya. But now, back to the ball game tayo. Maneha.
Now, mapa-utility spiker at open spiker, talagang very much activated ang players ng BU Wolves. Again, di pa dito nabibuild ng USI Falcons ang kanilang momentum para makahabol ng paunti-unti dito sa Wolves. Again, Imperial on the deck to serve. Another great serve. And a strong hit coming from Bailey. So as you can see, team, talagang kargado dito ang service ni Imperial. That's why palaging nagkakaroon ng magandang opportunity ang BU Wolves. Another one for Imperial. Now, Balanes sa ating Aprines. But this time, makakakuha na ng puntos ang USI Falcons.
Now, the Falcons need to step up at our set number 3. While the BU Wolves still dominating our set number 3. Napakaganda ng performance na pinapakita nila dito. Simula dun sa ating set number 1. Nakabay with that serve.
Combination play para kay Maneha.
Ayan, Rick. Bago ang lahat, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers sa Oragon Sports TV. Shoutout kay Krishna Dayan Sedeño, kay Michael Vincent Estalio, James Almazar, Evo Adachi de la Cruz at Malcolm Gale. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pag-antabay.
Ayan, naging maingay dito sa loob ng court because nagka-score doon on that last play si Nerva. Drop ball para sa libero ng BU Wolves. Centeno setting up his teammate rather. And again, powerful attack, talagang nagpapaulan dito ang BU Wolves.
Now, at this point of the game, Rick, we can still see the enjoyment and the eyes of the BU Wolves. Talagang ini-enjoy na lang nila yung laro nila against the USI Falcons, while on the other side, I think, now, ano kaya ang gagawin nila ditong adjustment as Mira? ball ibibigay dito para sa BU Wolves now. Quick attack. And Bailey, courtesy of that point. Just 6 points away. Itong ating BU Wolves getting 3 straight set against the USI Falcons.
Now Maneha, now serving para dito sa BU. Mira setting up La Guardia, andun si Nerva, now Centeno. This time, mabablock dito si Alamo.
Naputol nga ng USI Falcons yung sunod-sunod na putos dyan ng BU Wolves. Now Mira. Binawi agad naman ang BU Wolves with that strong attack coming from Alamo. Napatawag na nga ng timeout dito ang ating USI Falcons because of our set number 3, 20 serving 3. Napakalaki pong puntos o kalamangan ng BU Wolves ang nagawa dito sa ating set number 3, and we can really see the frustration in the faces of the players of the USI Falcons dahil nga medyo napabayaan na nila dito at nakalamang na ng napakalaki ang ating BU Wolves, while on the other side, they're just enjoying the game right now. And that's what you need. Just need to enjoy and focus so that it will be a point on your side. Now we are back on the ball game. With that timeout, ano kaya yung mangyayari dito sa side ng USI Falcons? Now Maneha again. Free ball ibibigay dito. Now Balanes at sira para dito kay La Guardia. Through the block. And nabigyan sila muli ng opportunity dito. Papahabain pa kaya nila yung laro dito sa ating set number 3. But to do that, they need to double their effort dahil napakalaki yung kailangan nilang habulin dito. Maneha! Or should I say Espanya with that error? The Falcons. Now chance for the Falcons, La Guardia. Again, a miscommunication on the side of the BU Wolves. Sunod-sunod na nga yung naging error nila dito. Now, will the USI Falcons still continue getting a point here? No. Espanya. Outside. Back-to-back-to-back point para dito sa ating USI Falcons. They needed this. This will help them boost their confidence now. 7 serving 20 is still a big gap against the BU Wolves. But that's a crucial error coming from Reynes. Now, the BU Wolves will come back again as Imperial is back on the court for the side of the BU Wolves. Now Bailey. Another point para dito sa ating USI Falcons. 8 serving 21. Napahaba pa nila dito yung ating set number 3. Capistrano. Espanya. Babawi para sa BU Wolves. Harasin mo naman ang papasok dito sa USI Falcons. 3 points away ang ating BU Wolves on getting their second win here sa ating Bucal Season 5. Espanya now serving. 1-2 play by Balane. Now, Maneja. That strong attack. Konting-konti na lang para sa ating BU Wolves. Espanya again. Balane. To La Guardia. Miscommunication between the players here. Very crucial error. Match point na para dito sa ating BU Wolves. Just one more point. Balane. Ibigay kay La Guardia. Maneja. Ball still alive here. The point will go on the side of the USI Falcons. 24 serving 9. La Guardia. BU Wolves just need 1 point here, Imperial. Hira atake. With that 1 point, Imperial gets that. At dyan po nagtatapos ang matchup ng ating BU Wolves against the USI Falcons. 25-9 para sa ating set number 3. Good fight and a good performance coming from the BU Wolves. At sa ating pagbabalik, nakikilala na natin ang ating best player of the game only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Converge FlexiBiz. Be in control with your daily connection needs for maximum productivity. You can boost your connectivity when you need it the most. Have it at an all-time peak or adjust speeds during hours of the day, whatever your business needs to support. Enjoy value for your money with a budget-friendly, reliable, and flexible package made for you. No data cap. Stream on pure fiber connection that you deserve. Converge FlexiBiz. Contact us to know more.
The BU Wolves owned the last set with a score of 25 and 29. Kaya naman, for the most awaited player of the game, the best player of the game is brought to you by Willprint Quality Printing Excellent Service. Our best player of the game, jersey number 13 with 7 points, 4 attacks, 1 block, and 2 service ace. We have Imperial Attila. Magandang araw sa iyo, Imperial Attila. So, based sa laro nyo ngayon and yesterday, I witnessed on gaano kayo ka-consistent with your game. So, ano ba ang sikreto ng BU Wolves kung bakit napakagaling and consistent nila with their gameplay?
Siguro po, katulad nung sinabi ko kahapon, tiwala lang sa sarili tas sa buong team po. Kaya, ganito, naging consistent kami sa laro namin.
So, para naman sa next game ninyo, what should we expect from you and your teammates?
Mas gagandaan pa po namin yung laro namin sa next game.
May gusto ka bang i-shout out your friends, your family, your special someone, or maybe your teammate?
Shout out po sa mga sponsors namin, kay Tita Lina Sibuyo, Specs and Prints, Ate Koy, Kuya Moy, Marjon Leoncito, EDD, Aris Guamos, Ma'am Gladys, Kuya Jeric Milena. Shout out sa sa mga ka-team ko. Kila Mami, Daddy, shout out po sa inyo. Babe, love you ulit. Yun lang po.
Okay, thank you so much. There we have it, our best player of the game, Imperial Attila from the Bucal University's Wolves. That's all for now. This is Aimeniano here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game. Again, it's Attila Imperial. Napakagandang performance coming from the Bucal University. And congratulations for getting your second win for this season of Bucal.
Ayan, talagang binigyan tayo ng magandang pasabog na matchup between the BU Wolves and the USI Falcons para sa ating opening. So aabangan natin ang second and third match dito lamang sa Oragon Sports TV. Again, my name is Rick Puerta.
And I am Christina Alcanz Reyes. For our second game, it's the ACLC Naga versus the UNC Greyhounds, only here at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.